Eddie Ghabour joins us. I don't have a bone to pick with you, Eddie, but I've been reading your stuff, and you're coming on real strong here. I'm quoting now. The market is like a coiled spring, ready to explode to the upside. That's pretty strong stuff, Eddie. You better make your case.
All right, Stuart. Well, look, we do need to get through these next 2 weeks. We have options expiration this week and some earnings. Mixed signals will probably be volatile. But I think if you look under the hood, as we do for our clients when we're making allocation changes, and look at what's been happening over the last 3 weeks, while everyone is screaming stagflation and some analysts coming out with a 20% drop in the fourth quarter, we're having interest rates, both 10-year and 2-year, going up. You have global interest rates rising, commodities going vertical. When you see that happening in combination with what we're seeing in regards to COVID, and then you have small caps outperforming and high beta outperforming the S&P and NASDAQ over the last 3 weeks, this does not happen, in our opinion, if we're not going to see an acceleration in GDP. Delta just came out today with their earnings, and they talked about the fact that they've seen an explosion of bookings from Europe coming here to the U.S. So if we're getting ready to reopen, call it our second reopening because COVID cases are down and plummeted, and now you're going to add global demand on top of that, I don't see how GDP does not accelerate to the upside from where we were in the third quarter. And that's going to lead to much higher gains in the equity markets, which is why we are dialing up the risk right now for the fourth quarter, especially in the small cap area. And that's why we see the fundamentals really supporting that.
So you're selling big cap and buying small cap. Is that roughly what you're doing?
That's right. We are increasing our exposure from low beta large cap, and we are increasing exposure to the Russell 2000. For those investors that have the risk tolerance, we think we're seeing a consolidation in the Russell right now, and that should lead the market, if we are correct, in the fourth quarter.
I've got 30 seconds for you to tell me whether or not you would buy a space stock like Virgin Galactic. Thank you very much. That's the airline. Virgin Galactic. You can't buy into Bezos's Blue Origin. You can't buy into Musk's SpaceX. Would you buy into Virgin Galactic?
Right now, for our positioning, we would not. We favor financials, energy, and the Russell 2000 for this fourth quarter rally. We don't think it's going to be long, but we got a fourth quarter rally coming, and then we'll take the risk off in the first quarter next year.
All right, we hear you. We've got a fourth quarter rally coming. Forget space stocks. No fourth quarter rally. We hear you, Eddie Ghabour. Thanks for being with us. We'll see you again soon.